start to look like during the dry season. Diving day is over. We did all the confined water and one open water dive. We planned maybe to do two, but there was a strong current. Visibility dropped down because of the rain. I decided that we will do three training dives tomorrow, so no rush. Anyways, the guys are so easy. It's like the all I have to do is just to demonstrate the skill, and the guys immediately doing it without any difficulties. They managed to get a good buoyancy. Anyways, so the one thing what I'm trying to keep away from my episodes is all the courses, because to be honest, I don't like to post all these student photos on Facebook. If you show your students, and if you want to show that you are doing some courses, find something interesting. Taking a photo and posting on a Facebook, guys, it's boring. Try to find something else. If you want to do it, no problem. I'm just telling what it feels for me. For me, it's like boring. I actually have a story about the open water diver course. I remember we were still living in Latvia, and Laura was visiting pedicure or manicure, not really sure, maybe both together. And she called me and said, Martin, can you bring money? And I was around, and I said, yeah, I will come there. And I was sitting and waiting for Laura, and the girl from the reception, so she was there, and that her friend came, and they were like talking, you know, these girls from all these beauty salons or beauty, what is that, cabinets or whatever. So they were talking between each other, and the one said, hey, me and my boyfriend, we are going to try diving. It was a winter time, and there was a many dive centers, and I did the same. We offered the Discover Scuba Diving in the pool. So yeah, she said, me and my boyfriend, we are going for this Discover Scuba Diving today. And someone, and another one says, yeah, I heard about that scuba diving can be really difficult. You have to learn how to breathe with your ears. And it was like so funny, and I was laughing really hard. And by the other way, that's nothing really wrong, like not 100% wrong. Of course, you're not breathing with your ears, but you learn how to equalize. Funny story, right? So anyway, so we have a plan for diving. Tomorrow we will go to the Liberty. It's a little bit better visibility there, more things to see. Of course, we can go to another side, to Gemeluk or Pyramids, but you know, I think everybody's so excited about the Liberty Wreck, and they want to see Liberty Wreck. So that's why you see the Liberty Wreck in many of my episodes. Probably that's one of the sites which you are already familiar only watching my videos. But that's what it is. The guys, I think all these years we've been doing a lot of promotion of that site, and that's why everybody wants to dive there. 3 dives in Tulamben. We will do different dive sites, of course, not only Liberty Wreck. So that's the plan for tomorrow. And thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow on Instagram and Facebook, and see you tomorrow again. Thank you very much. Bye.